What's up, you guys? So today I wanted to discuss about how to make money. I got 3 different steps or 3 different options that you could use. You can use all 3 if you want on how to make money while still having a full-time job. You don't have to quit anything. You don't have to do anything full-time. This is just basically a complete side hustle. You have to put in a little work. In some cases, you have to put a little capital, but you'll still be making money on the end. So option number 1 is probably my favorite because I like the stock market, and if you like the stock market, if you're interested in the stock market, you're gonna really love this option. I didn't really know about it until after I learned how to trade options, and now that I do, it's one of these strategies that I use the most. All right, and that strategy is the wheel option strategy. Wheel option strategy, if you haven't heard of it before, it's basically setting a bet on what a stock is going to reach or what a stock won't reach as far as price point goes for a certain period of time. So you can set a contract for a month out saying that the stock will not reach below or above a certain point, and if you're right, you end up keeping the premium, which is what they pay you just to hold that contract, and you end up not having to put in your money to buy the stock or sell the stock. You typically want to do this with the stock that you really like and that you have a long-term projection on. So don't pick any super speculative stocks. Don't put this on GME. Don't put this on AMC. Just do it on something that you can trust in the long term. And long term, I mean more than 2 years, not 2 months, okay? Now, obviously, this strategy is a little more complicated than what I just explained, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link a video below of someone that can explain the entire strategy so I don't have to make this a 30-minute video. And you're gonna learn everything you can about how to trade the wheel option strategy. But what I do recommend is first, learn how to trade stocks. Second, learn how to trade options. And once you understand options, then I recommend you start doing this. And then once you graduate from this, you can do something called the poor man's covered call if that's something you want to pursue. But right now, the wheel option strategy is probably going to be your best bet because you can make money on a consistent basis every single month. Depending on how much capital you have, you can go from $25 a month to $2,500 a month. It just really depends on how much money you have in the beginning to fork up. But yeah, learn everything you can about the wheel strategy in that video, and then you can come back to this one or watch that video after you watch this one. Let's move on to step number 2. All right, so side hustle number 2 is gonna be kind of a side hustle that a lot of people do talk about, but I wanna go more in depth on how you should do it or who you should target. And that's digital marketing. And digital marketing in the sense of like you will probably start your own company, your own little tiny company on how to help other businesses grow their business or growing their Instagram accounts, and you making some money off of that. You know, you can charge anywhere between $5 a post to $200 a month, depending on whether they do a subscription with you or if they just want to see a couple posts every week from you. Now, how do you contact these real estate agents? Well, if you have Zillow, if you have a phone, you can reach out to them, go to listings in your neighborhood. Their contact info is at the bottom. What I would do before you contact them is probably search them up on Facebook and see how often they post. So they post every single day. They pretty much have a But anyways, I'll see you in the next one, and peace.